We're going to show you one of the nicest pieces of Coalport that's come through our catalogue this year. That's 2025. We've had some very nice pieces of Coalport over the years, and this is right up there in terms of the quality, age and condition. 2704, I think from memory, is the pattern design in the catalogue. The decorator's number is hand applied on the back. It's got a nice early Coalport green factory stamp on it, dating it to before 1891, and it's in beautiful condition, and it's just a thing of tactile beauty as well. The tactile comes in with this rim, often referred to as a pearl tooth rim, and it just does look like some pearly white dazzlers there, raised. You can feel this when you actually pick these plates up. They've got some real substance to them. They've got these lovely early deep basil plate rims that are absolutely flat. Really nice quality. You can see the translucency. See my finger moving behind this in the light box of the very thick. I mean, it's not paper thin porcelain. This is a substantial, quite heavy plate, but it's the detailing that really makes this one stand out. The gilt decoration, the hand colouring in the blockwork design around it. Let's show you the factory marks on the rear. Just again, note how clean the underside of this plate is. Very difficult when I bring this forward to get a focus on it because the lights are all right in this light box here that we've created. There's your England Coalport green crown mark. Here is your pattern reference 2704, and it's the glaze is just fantastic. There's a very occasional little knife mark on the surface, but really I'd call that patina rather than wear, because you're looking at sort of 1860s through to 1890s for this, so it's been around for a while. For most of those years I'm sure it's been on display or in a collection. A fine piece, really nice, rich, clean cobalt blue, good gilt detailing and retention, absolute right patina for its age, and a lovely 10 3/8 inch diameter pearl edged Coalport dinner plate. Thanks for watching. Follow the link in the description if you'd like to find out more. It's going on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website this afternoon. Thanks now.